All right, guys, what's up, everybody? Michael Edward here, head trader at True Trading Group. It is May 11th, and I've got some updates on two swing trades that we've got to talk about that are working out to a BUT, MGNX, and CODX, two of my swing trades from a couple days ago. If you guys missed my video from a few days ago where I talked about three open swing trades, okay, one was WTRH. That one I've since closed out. And now we've got MGNX and CODX that are still open. And I took some profits on those positions today. I also added back to one of those positions today and then took profits off again, back down to holding a core position on MGNX and CODX. So I want to update you guys with MGNX. Right now, after hours, the stock is trading higher. I'm up almost 30% on that original entry, about 28%, I believe, is the actual number. But I was able to take the bulk of my position off the table for a 21% gain from that initial entry. But I also added back to that position today. So profits are really starting to compile here and compound on this MGNX trade. And I still think we have some more room to the upside. CODX, I have not added back to CODX, but I did take the bulk of my position off the table on my CODX swing trade today for a 16% gain, and I still have a piece of that position as well. So right now I'm down to around 25% of my size on CODX and about 25% of my size on MGNX. So with this video, I'm just going to take some time to update and recap these trades with you and talk to you guys about what I think these stocks are going to do next and where my final profit targets are. If any of you followed along with any of these swing trades, I posted this video last week. Okay, last week is when I entered both of these trades. One was on Wednesday, one was on Thursday. So now here we are on Monday, taking profits off the table. So if any of you caught that video from last week about the three open swing trades and you guys followed along on these, congratulations, job well done. We're sitting real nice and pretty on these two names. All right, so let's talk about MGNX first, since I have this one up on my screen and we're trading much higher here after hours. We're trading all the way up at 29, which I'm loving this right now. Okay, I'm loving this. So let's go back. I'm going to recap for you guys the actual swing trade entry. Okay, on Wednesday, May 6th, I entered MGNX right here. And guys, and seriously, when you're done with this video, or even if you want to stop now and go check out the other video first and then come back to this, that's probably even a good idea to go back and watch my video from last week where the title is 3 Open Swing Trades. Watch that video because it breaks down these trades for you last week, not now. Okay, so here I'm just going to recap real quick for you guys. There was my first entry on MGNX. There was my second entry. Okay, here was my first take profit, and here was my second take profit, and I was holding 25% of the MGNX trade. After the two entries, my average price was $22.58. Okay, my average price on May 6th was $22.58, and you can see here it took profit 25% of the position. 50% of the position was still holding 25% of that size. Going into this swing trade, okay? What I did was I drew a Fibonacci retracement level, and I start to notice here that we have this key pivot low lines up with the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and that was my stop loss on the remaining piece of this trade. Okay, so again, my average price, $22.58, all right? Still holding a piece of this position. Thursday, we just kind of consolidate, drift lower. Friday, we drift lower, and we actually go down and test that previous low. And we held it beautifully. And then today we open up and this thing just starts to squeeze. This thing just starts to squeeze like a bat out of hell, goes all the way up to retest that high around 27 and change, which is the day when MGNX had that massive monster short squeeze. We went all the way back up to test that area again. So right there, I took another piece of profit off the table at 26.90. I'll take you guys to my trade announcements on the day. Where are we? Here we go. At 12:25 p.m., swing trade update took more profit on MGNX at 26.90, still holding a small piece from the 22.58 entry on May 6th. Okay, so there was the 22.58 on May 6th. I just took another piece of profit off at 26.90. Guys, this is the trade log in chat. So I download in chat every trade that gets executed. There's a push notification that pops up in chat when a trade executes. And this is, I can download that log from our chat software so I can show you guys all the trades. Okay, so that's what we're looking at here. So back to this guy. So there you can see I took a piece off the table, and at this point now I'm holding a very small piece. Okay, I'm holding a very small piece, and I'm looking for $25 to hold support. Why $25 did I want that to be support? That was this previous high. So on May 7th, Thursday, that high of the day was 25. As I pan this over, and now we come into today, let's draw a Fibonacci retracement level from on today. Today, we notice that the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level lines up dead even with that prior day's high. So I said, if we hold this level throughout lunchtime and we're above it going into the afternoon, I'm going to add back to this position because I had small size at this point after I took this piece of profit. So here you can see we kind of form this downtrend resistance line. We hold support at 25. We pop our head out of that, and I add back to my position right there. Take you guys to my trade announcements. Here you guys can see at 2:16 p.m. added back to tier 2 MGNX 25.71. New stop loss now is 24.50. So now I'm adding back into this MGNX, and you can see we are squeezing beautifully after hours up to new intraday highs, approaching my final target, which is 32.50. I did take some profits off the table, guys. Back to my announcements. You can see here at 3:45 p.m., I took some profit off at 26.60, okay, which is right there. And then right before the bell, another piece of profit comes off the table at 27.32, and I'm still holding some, okay? Now here we are at 29.79. Let me delete all this so I can clean this up. You're probably getting dizzy by all these drawings on the chart real quick. So let me go back and delete everything here. God, this is turning out to be a monster trade. I really hope this thing continues to squeeze and gets to my 32.50 area. But here you guys can see, here we are. So there's the add back today. Here's the first take profit. Here's the second take profit. I'm still in 25% of my size. And now here we are at 29.85 going off new highs as I make this video just before 5 p.m. It's 4:50 p.m. Eastern time as I make this video, and we're trading right around $30. Let's go back to the daily chart to show you guys why 32.50 is my target on this MGNX. And that is because there we have it. There we have it. There is this major resistance level at 32.50. And that's my final target on this trade. We're already sitting at 30. Let's see if after hours we can get all the way up to 32.50. If we get to 32.50 here, wow, guys, here we go, 30.50. You guys, I might have to take profits while I'm actually making this video, guys. Let me just get kind of myself situated here just in case this does start to squeeze. This would be really cool. If this thing squeezes as I'm making this video, I want to have myself ready. Okay. So I'm watching this MGNX, guys. 32.50 is my final take profit target. We'll see if we can get there after hours. If not, I'm still in 25% of my size. I'm holding on to this, looking for continuation. If we get to 32.50 after hours today, I'll probably take another piece. I'm definitely going to take another piece of profit off the table. If I hold on to some, is yet to be seen. I'll kind of make that decision once we get up there. Okay, but a beautiful move so far in MGNX. Now we can go over to CODX, another one. This is a swing trade, guys. Again, go back, review that other video. Okay, it's the video I posted last week. I entered CODX right there at 1470. Okay, then on Friday, I took 25% of my position off the table at 1562. And then today, right before the close, I took 50% of my position off the table at 1709. I'll take you guys to my trade announcements. Here you guys can see at 3:58 p.m. swing trade update, took more profit on CODX at 1709, still holding some from the 5.6 entry. This is actually a typo. I entered this trade on 5.7. Okay, CODX I entered at 5.7. Right here was the entry on May 7th. Okay, go back, watch the video from last week, guys. It is titled 3 Open Swing Trades. Okay, the thing that I like here about CODX, let's draw a line right across this resistance point that I've been looking at on the daily for us to break through now for the last couple of days. We finally today popped our head above this level. Now look for this level to be support, and my final take profit target on CODX is going to be up here around $19 to $20. We'll see if maybe we can get there this week. Okay, so that's kind of what we got going on there with CODX, MGNX. Okay, a little bit of a, all right, well, we should be good. I don't think we're going to get up to 32.50 right now while I'm making this video. But I wanted to update you guys on these 2 swing trades. This turned out to be a really good day because I was able to take these profits off the table. I lost shorting QDEL today. I shorted QDEL today. QDEL gapping up on news, FDA approving their testing kits, and we've got what I thought today had a chance to be an exhaustion gap up. This stock has had such a huge move. I thought this was going to be an exhaustion gap, and I waited until I saw that. And when I saw that, I thought maybe, okay, maybe this is the exhaustion gap. I went in here and I shorted QDEL right here. I then added to QDEL short right here, and I covered that position flat right there. I'll take you guys to my trade announcements. You can see here I shorted at 197.55. So original stop loss was 204. I then added to a tier 3 at 193.45, but then I moved my stop loss down to 200. And then you can see here I covered QDEL at 278. Okay, so there's the first short, here's the second short, and then there's the cover. And you can see, good thing I covered because we're now trading all the way up at 215. Okay, so I started the day red with this QDEL, but then peeling profits off on CODX, peeling profits off on MGNX, adding back to MGNX, taking those profits off, puts me well back into the green on the day. So it ended up being, what started off as a crappy day, ended up being a solid day, and we'll see if MGNX has enough juice to keep going and reach my final target of 32.50. Okay, so that's the updates, guys. That was my trading today. Again, go back, watch the video from last week. If you guys have not done so already, do not forget that we are giving away a 36% discount on a 1-year all-inclusive membership to True Trading Group for the month of May. We are also giving away a 40% discount for a 2-year membership and a 60% discount for a lifetime membership. If you guys are interested in joining the TTG family full-time, click on the link in the description below. Make sure to use that coupon code TTG36 to get that 36% discount, get access to all of my courses, as well as all new courses I'm coming out down the road. The next course I'm going to be publishing has to do with swing trading. So what more perfect time when we're nailing CODX, we're nailing MGNX, 2 swing trades working out beautifully. That's going to be my next course. If you guys sign up with that TTG36 membership code, not only do you get a 36% discount, but you also get access to all future courses included. There's no upsells ever. So guys, do not hesitate. Get that discount. Join the TTG fam. Use coupon code TTG36. And I will see you guys in chat, and we'll see what happens tomorrow with this MGNX and the CODX. Also, tomorrow's TTG Tuesday. Chat room's open free for everybody. Go to truetradinggroup.com. Upper right-hand corner, click on TTG Tuesday. Fill out the form. You'll get a link that'll give you access into our chat room for free for the whole day. Chat room opens at 7:30 a.m. Eastern, closes at around 5:30 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Later.